Alright, welcome to Nothing Pretty Brick Tutorials. This series will cover the most absolute fundamental steps for a quality top rock style. Two-step, front step, side step, spreads. Spreads is a really easy move. As easy as this move is to learn, it really only looks good when you've trained it really hard. So, pay attention to your musicality when you're training it. Pay attention to your explosiveness and pay attention to how quickly you can retract your legs back to the center. Now, it's not like jump rope or jumping jacks. You don't actually want to hop like I am here, although it is a good way of training that muscle. Instead, you want to keep your center of gravity low to the ground. Do this by keeping your feet flat on the ground and your knees bent, all at the center. As you come out, your legs will straighten out a little bit. Try to keep your feet a little bit flat, and rather than hopping back to the center, you're going to use your inner thighs to pull your legs back to the center. Subscribing really helps me out, so please do that, and more videos are definitely on the way.